Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Google Drive for any file or document. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for drive.google.com. So now we are in our Drive interface, that is Google Drive interface. Now we can see this plus icon over here. So here we can see this new and plus icon over here. Simply tap on this. You can choose file or folder you would like to upload. So let's go for file upload for now. And you can choose any file you would like to upload and click on open. So it is uploaded. And if you open this, here we can see this share options. So here you can simply copy link or share this to any groups you would like to add it to, and simply click on done. So this is how we can create a Google Drive for any file or folder we want. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.